Hello everyone, back again with About Man. Living a healthy life is everyone's dream, but not many of them still don't know where to start. So this time, we will discuss 10 tips and tricks for living a healthy life. Many people do not really understand how to adopt a healthy lifestyle, both physically and mentally. In fact, healthy and happy living habits are the key to longevity. This means that the happier a person is, the more likely that person is to live longer. So, let's start implementing a healthy lifestyle in various ways or tips below. Here are some simple tips you can do to start a healthy lifestyle. Traffic jam, deadline suffocating tasks or jobs, stagnant finances, tenuous love relationships, and various other tempests of life will certainly make you stress. When you are stressed, all the systems in your body will respond in different ways. Chronic stress can have an impact on your overall health. If you are stressed, try to calm yourself down by taking deep breaths and slowly exhaling. Do this repeatedly until you feel more relaxed. You can also do various other activities that you enjoy, such as reading books, watching movies, or others. In essence, make yourself feel comfortable in a way that you enjoy. What you eat will certainly affect how your body works. Therefore, it is important for you to pay attention to every food you consume every day. In order to create a healthy lifestyle, make sure that the food on your plate meets principles of balanced nutrition, which includes carbohydrates, fiber, protein, and good fats. Pay attention to meal portion use. Paying attention to food portions is very important to prevent you from becoming overweight and developing various chronic diseases. Remember, anything in excess is certainly not good for the body. In addition to sorting out the food to be consumed, you also have to be wise in processing it. Avoid processing food by frying it. You can process food in a healthier way, such as boiling, steaming, or sautéing. Sport don't necessarily have to jogging or go to the gym. You are free to do various types of sports that you really like. In order to implement healthy lifestyle habits, if you like cycling or swimming, then feel free to do so. Likewise, if you just like a leisurely walk, the key is 1. Make your body actively move every day. By actively moving, your body will try to burn the calories that settle in the body. In addition, it can also help flow more oxygen into the body's cells and keep them healthy. No wonder after sports or do physical activity, you will feel fitter. So, for those of you office workers who may not have much time to exercise, you can do a variety of simple physical activities to keep your body moving. When heading to the office room, try to choose climbing up the stairs rather than elevators or escalators. You can also take the time to go for a walk or just go up and down the stairs before and after lunch. Sometimes, small changes in your daily routine can help you become more active in sports.